Model 2008 Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle Bus Shay 102 long wheelbase, body, grey, crew cab with disability ramp in working order. Mileage 130,572 engine 1,896 cc Burr 101 bhp transmission 5-speed manual front wheel drive mechanical summary starts perfect, runs perfect, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect, pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 0 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, air con, parking sensors, EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.